just 1 hour to go. Counter. We are running now. In 1 hour, I start with my 26 hours race through my little town, and I try to run 100 loops, 100 laps, which might be impossible for me because I'm not the best trained. But heroes will be born today on where the Champion Leagues is running, and that's my bike. I prepared with a lot of drinking. It's a Trek SL 500. Everything is prepared, a lot of oil, so it's not squeaking. I'm starting with a night race, so the race starts at 9:15 p.m. and I assume the night will be the toughest stuff and also the most important one. This is all my clothing which I need. So my jerseys, here a lot of jerseys. It will rain tomorrow. I assume it will. Today it was absolutely hot, and tomorrow will be at the beginning the same, but afterwards there will be a lot of rain, maybe some thunder, or the flash goes into my car, into my bike. So we have some long tights, some for the air, for bicycle short trousers which are underneath, some short shirts, and a night jacket with reflection, some socks with reflection, some gloves with reflection, a helmet with reflection. Don't forget the 900 lumen headlight and the 300 lumen backlight. And that's my streaming camera. I to stream live, going live, everything what we do, 99 laps to go with our Daytona or Nightona, or I call it in Germany 26 Stundenrennen. Means 26 hours, maybe 500 kilometers, but in the inner circle of a city, you always have to wait at the flashlights. So your traffic lights, you're waiting there and waiting and then starting. So you're accelerating, stopping, accelerating, stopping. It's always like sprints, and waits. And I don't know how this will work. So 1 hour to go, 9:15 p.m.